Now let us see other types of questions based on age. In all these statement questions, the basic thing is that you must be clear how to make the equation for it. So the question is, the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil's. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. What is their present ages? Let us solve this question. Present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Sahil's mother is 3 times Sahil. Let age, okay, let present age. Let present age of Sahil be X years. Then what does it say? That it implies present age of mother. Present age of Sahil's mother will be 3x because it is 3 times the age of Sahil. So 3 times x. After 5 years, age of Sahil is equal to age of mother. After 5 years, what will be the age of Sahil? Obviously x plus 5, mother 3x plus 5. We can also make a table like this, like present age after 5 years, Sahil mother. Sahil and Sahil's mother. Sahil's present age is x, after 5 years x plus 5. Mother's present age is 3x, after 5 years 3x plus 5. And what is given, after 5 years their ages will add to 66 years. According to question, their ages after 5 years add up to 66. So let us solve it. X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equal to 66. X and 3x can be added. It will become 4x. Apple plus 3 apple, 4 apples. 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, 10 rupees equal to 66. So it comes out to be 4x, 66 minus 10. It implies x is 56 upon 4 is equal to 4 ones are 4, 1 6, 4 fours are 16. So present age of Sahil is 14. Question is find their present ages. Present age of Sahil is coming out to be 14 and mother 3 into 14 is equal to 42. So in this way we can find the questions based on age, present age and age after 5 years. Okay, let us see another question. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Ravi's age will be 4 times present age. So let us take present age be x, then Ravi's age will be 4 times. So let present age of Ravi be x years. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times. Age of Ravi after 15 years, it will be x plus 15. And according to question, this x plus 15 is 4 times the present age. 4 times x. So it implies 15 x. I am transposing over there. Now x is to this side also, to this side also. We have to combine terms in which x is there. So I am transposing this x to that side. It will become 4x minus x. 15 equal to 3x. 15 is equal to 3x or 3x equal to 15 is one and the same thing. It implies x is equal to 15 upon 3 is equal to 5. So present age of Sahil, present age of Ravi 5 years. And if you want to check whether your question is correct or not, let us put it in this equation. 5 plus 15, in left hand side it will turn out to be 20, right hand side will also turn out to be 20, so it means our question is correct. Over here, we have calculated ages 14 and 42, and if you take their sum, 14, 42 plus 14, it comes out to be 56. And okay, present ages sum is coming out to be 56, and ages after 5 years, 56 plus 10, obviously it will turn out to be 66 years. So in this way we can check whether our questions are correct or not. So today we discuss questions on based on numbers, questions based on shapes, and questions based on age. So related to these three types of questions, I will share some assignment with you. You do that questions and be more clear about using this concept of algebra. Thank you. That was all for today.